Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make $500 a week with DoorDash. DoorDash is a food delivery service that allows you to make money by delivering food to people's homes. It's a great way to make some extra cash on the side, or even to make a full-time living. So, how much money can you actually make with DoorDash? It depends on a few factors, including your location, the time of day, and how many deliveries you make. But, if you work hard and are strategic about the orders you accept, you can definitely make $500 a week. Here are a few tips to help you make $500 a week with DoorDash. 1. Work during peak hours. The best times to work DoorDash are during lunch and dinner rush, as well as on weekends. This is when demand for food delivery is highest, so you'll be more likely to get orders. 2. Accept batched orders. Batched orders are when you're offered 2 or more deliveries at the same time. These orders can pay more than single orders, so it's a good idea to accept them whenever possible. 3. Look for guaranteed earnings incentives. DoorDash often offers guaranteed earnings incentives, which means that they'll pay you a certain amount of money for completing a certain number of deliveries. These incentives can be a great way to boost your earnings. 4. Drive for multiple apps. You can also increase your earnings by driving for multiple food delivery apps, such as Uber Eats and Grubhub. This will give you more opportunities to get orders, and it will also give you more flexibility in terms of when and where you work. 5. Be strategic about the orders you accept. Not all orders are created equal. Some orders will pay more than others, and some orders will be more difficult to complete. It's important to be strategic about the orders you accept so that you're maximizing your earnings. Making $500 a week with DoorDash is definitely possible. Just follow these tips and be willing to put in some hard work. With a little effort, you can make DoorDash a great way to supplement your income or even start a new career. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online.